So, you want to make some pixel art items? Well, you've clicked on the right video, because if you clicked on one about a milkshake, you're definitely in the wrong place. Hey guys, welcome back to TutsByKai. I'm Kai, and today we are back once again taking a look at how to make some pixel art. Because it's been a while. Today we are in Aseprite, but you can do this in any other program that is, graphic arts program. You can do it in GIMP, Photoshop, LibreSprite, you can do it in whatever. Anything else that you got around Fire Alpaca, yeah, it all works the same exact way. But yes, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grab a black color, solid black, 000000. I'm in a 64 by 64 canvas right now because we're gonna use all these different squares to create some different items here. So in essence, essentially, it's like whatever this is. What is this, 16 by 16? I think it is. So we're gonna use this 16 by 16 space to use multiple different objects, each one of these boxes here. So first thing I'm gonna do is I kind of want to just I want to make a potato. So we're gonna make a potato. I'm gonna go ahead and just do a rough shape. That's the way we start everything, is just with a rough shape. And I don't like that potato at all, so we're gonna do it again until I do one that I like. And I like that one, so that looks really cool. We're gonna go ahead and just erase some of these bits that I don't like. So for instance, all of this, and this. Yep. And now I have a choice. I don't want to get rid of that one because it's gonna make it look too sharp at the top, as you can see. So I'm gonna get rid of these two, and that makes it look softer. And what else am I going to do? I'm also going to bring this in by one by hitting M, making a box over that, pulling it in, and then pulling this in like that. There we go. So that looks nice. That looks like a potato if I ever seen a potato. You guys seen that? Yeah, that's cool to me. Alright, so we're going to just pull this up here, like around the center. There we go. And then hit select, deselect. Now this is our potato. Now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and get like a potato-y color. And I want to do maybe like a potato like this. Hit G to bucket fill. We'll just bucket fill that in. Nice little brown potato. We'll darken it a little bit by dragging it down and to the left, and then putting a little bit more red into the shadows. Hit B to go back to the brush, and then we can do a little bit of shading here. Nothing too crazy, just in some specific areas there that I wanted to be shaded. And then of course I'll add some dots randomly because potatoes have spots like that. And I don't like the positioning of some of these, so I'm going to eye to eye drop, and then just kind of hit B to go back to the brush tool here. And I think it looks pretty decent. I enjoy that. Now I think I want to do maybe I kind of want to put a leaf on it, which is weird because there's not really leaves on potatoes, but I kind of want to do it, and I don't know why. So we're going to do that. We're going to put a little leaf at the top here, just like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and use the black to cover that up like that. Actually, I'm going to pull that out one more. There we go. You'll love to see it. Alright, cool. And now it looks kind of weird, like it looks long or something, so we're going to fix that. It's too symmetrical. It looks like a kiwi. I might just scrap the leaf, ladies and gentlemen. But yeah, I want to do something. Maybe like a stem? Maybe a stem. Maybe a stem. Yeah, stem. Let's try that. Okay, hold on. A little bit darker here. Pull it down. Like that. Pull that out. Oh, wait. Pause. Hold. Maybe darken it a little bit more. Oh, maybe. I don't know. Maybe let's... Oh, maybe we'll do like this. I'll grab the black, and then we'll kind of put that like that. So it kind of looks like a stem piece. Yeah, sure, we'll leave it there, I guess. We'll undo it because I don't like it at all. Never mind, take it back. Okay, cool. So we're done with the potato. There's lots of different things we can do with the potato, of course. We can do some more things, but I just want to do some simple items today. So that's it for the basic potato. Now let's go ahead and grab the eyedrop color and grab black once again. Now I think maybe for this object, perhaps I want to make a book. Maybe a book. We can do that. We can do that. That's nice. That's nice and simple one. So for a book, it is not a natural object. It is a man-made object. So it's going to be a little bit more perfect than it is not. So I'm going to go ahead and do maybe something like this and pull it up and then go down like this. Maybe across. Nope. I messed that up. One more. And then down like this, and you see how I'm kind of rounding those edges out like that. Like, there we go. And I think this might be a bit too tall, so we'll like scrunch it in a little bit by pulling it up like that. And I think what I want to do after that is we'll go ahead and I need to pull like these book ends together. This kind of looks like a book from Terraria, and I did not do that on purpose. So that's actually kind of cool. So yeah, this was basically just like a book from Terraria. So I'm going to pull that up. There we go. Now it's nice and even. And of course, we got to go ahead and fill this in with some color. So maybe I'll do like a teal book like that. And then on the inside, it'll be like a yellow page, like tan kind of color. Like there. You'll love to see it. Oh, that looks cool. That looks very cool. And maybe I'll do like this. And then we'll actually do maybe one more layer of the black. Is that going to be too thick if I do that? See, pixel art's all about the... I don't like it. Never mind. We'll take it back. Yeah, it looks fine like this. That's fine. You get the picture. There you go. There you go. I thought it was like there's no back cover, but not really. And now, of course, I want it to look special, so we got to do, like, a less bright than that. Okay, cool. And then we're going to do maybe, like, an orange band around it to make it look like it's enchanted or something, like a nice little band around. Yeah, cool. Wait, more at the top. Needs to be more at the top than that. There we go. You'll love to see it. And then we'll darken a little bit for a little bit of shading, and then pull a little bit more red into it so we can get the sides like that. Yeah, no, that one. Yeah, okay, cool. And then that was good. Yeah, I like that. Now I want to do maybe a little bit of shading to the orange, so we'll just pull it up a little bit, make it a little brighter. Yeah. Maybe, ooh, no, we'll have this be black. Yeah, and maybe this bottom one as well. Or maybe... I don't know if I like that. Like that, maybe. Yeah. Okay, wait. Pause. We'll do this instead. Okay, so I'll have this go across like that, and then we'll make the orange a bit skinnier. But this side right here is messed up for some reason. Put that back. Alright, cool. I think I fixed it. Okay. It was messed up there for a moment. Okay, I've fixed it. Now, I don't think that I like maybe the solid black color. So we'll go ahead and maybe do something like that. So that it's not a solid black. Yeah, that looks cool. I like that. Very nice. Okay, cool. Sweet. So that's a nice little book that we have there. Maybe I want a little piece coming off of the back there, and we'll just kind of like fill that in, maybe. Yeah, that looks cool. And then we'll just have like that there. Yeah, cool. All right, sweet. Now maybe I want to do one more color for the darker. Like that or something. Yeah, sure. Why not? All right, cool. And then maybe just very slight shading on the green here. So we'll do like a layer under there, one there, a couple throughout there. There you go. You'll love to see it. All right, cool. So that's nice. I enjoyed that quite a bit. Maybe a darker color for this bottom half of the book there. You'll love to see it. Very nice. So I'm gonna move this one up actually. There we go. Cool. So a potato and a book. Wow. Nice. Very cool. Very simple. Like I said, this is very simple, kind of like not 8-bit, but very simple pixel art. I want to do maybe 2 more, and then we should be set to go. Now I want to do maybe something circular. What would be circular? A barrel? What is it? A barrel? That would be fun. That'd be cool. Maybe we'll have it go like this, kind of come down and around like that. There we go. And then kind of come like this. It's like a soda can as well. Oh, it could be a trash can. It could be anything really, but I think I'm gonna do a barrel. And I'm gonna grab a nice brown color here. Maybe more saturated brown because it's wood. There we go. Nice. Cool. Epic. Now I want to grab a darker color, a little bit more red in there, and then we'll do like every other board. You know what I mean? We'll do like every other wooden board, and that will be nice and fine like that. There we go. Cool. So that looks like it's a bit thicker of a wooden plank kind of going across there. And then maybe right here we'll have that be black. Maybe. Like that. Yeah, that looks cool, I think. That looks cool, I think. Maybe the whole thing should just be... Yeah, okay, it looks much better. I enjoy that. So that's nice. And then I kind of want to do like the silver braces around, like the metal pieces, you know, those on the sides of those crates sometimes. But that looks kind of weird, though. Maybe I'll do one on the bottom of both of these. Yeah, it looks nice, but it looks kind of out of place, though. I want to do maybe a little bit darker and a little bit more saturated with blue. Yeah, there we go. That looks better. Okay, cool. Now we need to shade them, so I'll just have a darker color there that goes across on both of these sides. Make it look like it's a little bit more rounded. Yeah, cool. And then maybe I'll do like this instead, actually. And then this piece in the center will be a little bit brighter. Oh, yeah, that looks cool. Oh, that looks so cool. Okay, right, sweet. And then we'll take this darker color in the middle. I'll darken that. And we'll do the same exact thing. So darker there and darker there. Darker there. On all those pieces, make it look like it's rounded, and there's like some stripes going through, and then we'll make it a little bit brighter for this. Yeah, and then for all of these, we'll go ahead and do, wait, let me do this real quick. All right, and then for all of these lighter pieces in the center, we'll do the same thing, so darken a little bit more red on the darker bits. We'll make it darker like that. Darker bits, make it darker. And then, of course, on the lighter bits, we'll lighten it up a little bit. Put it to the right, a little bit more yellow in there. And there we go. That's nice. That looks really cool. I enjoy that. That's nice. That one, see, this one's a lot more shading than the rest of them, so I kind of want to do multiple ones. Oh, speaking of which, we could do a nice little natural shading. So if you hit tab to open up the timeline here, you can see this. It kind of opens up. Right-click the layer, hit new layer, and then we can change this layer by right-clicking it, go into properties, and then changing the mode to like normal. I'm going to put it on soft light though. There we go. Maybe drag it down just a little bit. So now we can go ahead and kind of use a darker color, not black, but like a dark purple or blue, and we can just like kind of shade over top of this this little potato here. So this is another way you can shade, which is really cool. So we'll go ahead and grab this yellow piece as well, and maybe we'll put a little bit of a highlight over top of that, so that it looks like that's a different kind of shading. So I want to just put that out there. Just if you want to do a different kind of shading, you can go ahead and do something like that as well. And then of course you can hit another layer, new layer, properties, the same thing. So soft light, drag it down a little bit, and then we can just get even more shading in there for a second like darkness layer, which is just another way you can shade, which looks much more realistic. Like, it looks much more natural than like this kind of pixel art style shading, just to get in there and kind of do something like this, which I just think is very neat. But I am not one for a lot of shading. If you guys have been following the channel, you guys know that I am not a huge fan of shading. I just really like flat graphic kind of things, but this looks really good for this kind of pixel art. So definitely keep that in mind. We'll do one more, and then we'll probably have to end this video off here. I want to do something that's maybe a little different. Go back to the first layer here. What can we do? Do we do let's do a pickaxe, because that's very like used in pixel art. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's do them with no line art as well. Let's do a different style this time. So let's go ahead and grab a nice brown color we would use for a pickaxe handle. I'm just going to go ahead and drag two little lines like that for a nice little pickaxe, and then we'll do like maybe we'll start off with the base colors, of course. Nice little gray pickaxe, maybe for like iron pickaxe or something. I don't know what the heck, but like that, and then maybe we'll have it come down a little bit, and then we'll have to get rid of these pieces right here because that looks weird. There we go. Nice little pickaxe there. I don't necessarily like how thick this is, but that's okay. Because we can make like a messed up pickaxe. Oh, that looks kind of cool. I like that. Oh, it looks really kind of cool. I enjoy that. Oh wow. I kind of like that. Well, I think we're gonna do that instead, and then I might just go ahead and grab this color, maybe make a little bit of a darker one, add a little bit of red in there, and then we'll go ahead and just shade this up real quick. And I'm gonna shade this one super loosely, darken it up a little bit more. Might be a little too dark down there, but it's all right. We'll make do. And then we'll lighten this side up, drag a little bit more to the right for a little bit of yellow in there. And we'll put that like that. Perfect. And then a little bit of that in there. Oh, you love to see it. There we go. That looks really good. I like that. And then maybe I'm going to do a little bit of a darker color. There we go. Yeah, that looks very, very what's the game? I can't think of what game this is like, but it looks like a very, very old game. And now I might just put a little bit of these around just for a little bit of like shading, and then we'll kind of just drop them off, make them a little less harsh like that. Oh yeah. That is so cool. I like that. Maybe not with the such darker colors, but yeah, you guys can get the idea of some pixel art styles, some pixel art shading. I hope you, ladies and gentlemen, enjoyed it. I will see you in the next one, but until then, bye bye.